This is the famous kinetic energy formula. But where does it come from? Let's prove it. The basis of our proof is the physics fact that work done is always equal to the energy transferred. Say we have a block of mass m acted on by a constant force F. The block will experience constant acceleration. The work done in this case is F times d. From Newton's second law, we know that F is equal to ma. A, the acceleration, is the rate of change of velocity. Now we can take the denominator of t and combine it with the distance, because d over t is the average speed. Now, velocity is increasing linearly because acceleration is constant. This means that the average speed can be found by simply taking the arithmetic mean of the initial and final speeds. Now we can take the 1/2 to the front and expand. We'll get v squared minus u squared, and then that'll give us the following difference. Work done is equal to the energy transferred, so this must be equal to the change in kinetic energy. This is the final kinetic energy, and this is the initial kinetic energy. So this shows us that the kinetic energy at any time t is half m times the square of the velocity at that time. Now you may argue that this proof is not very rigorous, so let's adjust it slightly. Say the block is moving along the x-axis, and this constant force moves it an incremental distance dx. Then the infinitely small work done, dw, is equal to F times dx. Again, F equals ma. But this time, a is dv by dt, because the increase in velocity is very incremental. Similarly, we can take the dt and combine it with the dx, and dx by dt will give us the velocity. So we have dw equals mdv times v, or mv times dv. To get w, we'll integrate both sides. The integral of dw is just w, and the integral of mv with respect to v is half mv squared plus a constant of integration. The work done is equal to the energy transferred, so this equation is the equation for the kinetic energy. Now, to get c, we have to plug in a known point. We know that when v is equal to 0, there is no kinetic energy since there is no motion. So c equals 0. So there you have it.